Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Lotos LTPDC 2000 Tig Welder. This Tig Welder is appreciated by both expert and novice welders. This machine can perform welding on any type of metal, and it is especially suitable for welding aluminum and derived alloys. The Lotos welder is a single-phase inverter welder explicitly designed to perform TIG welding with an infusible tungsten electrode under inert gas protection with direct, alternating and pulse current. It is built to offer maximum performance even in severe environmental conditions, and is designed for both RC remote control and connection to the motor generator. Pilot arc torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Ensure the plasma cutter have a stable and durable high performance. Our second best TIG welder under $500 is S7 TIG Welder. S7 can weld metal as thick as 42 mm. Would have recommended this product, but 2-in-1 combo and dual voltage advantages have already been mentioned several times. Inverter frequency up to 100 kHz. The welding speed is fast, the welding process is the best. This is optimized to deliver a flawless weld, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. Rated input frequency 50 or 60 Hz, duty cycle 85%, improves the performance of the welding machine. TIG welding thickness 0.3 to 4.8 mm, stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron and chrome. ARC welding thickness 15 to 42 mm. Portable handle makes it easier to operate, the lightweight makes it more convenient to carry. Suitable for stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper alloy and other non-ferrous metal welding. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, over current protection, over load protection. S7 tips: while using the machine, it will produce a certain magnetic field, and the arc burning will produce radiation, infrared, ultraviolet light arc, etc. Accompanied by metal vapor and other harmful substances, therefore, adequate protective measures should be taken during operation. After use, after the operation, clean up the site, cut off the electricity supply, lock the box. Check the welder once a month. During use, when moving the welding machine, the power supply should be cut off and the welding machine shall not be moved by dragging the cable. Third pick in our list is Hertzoggen TIG Welder. This machine has a 60% duty cycle that makes the product suitable for continuous production. It can be used for multiple uses because of the way it has been designed. The TIG welder has a high-quality arc which makes it produce quality welds. The products have a weight of 18.74 pounds which makes it portable and allows natural movement when in use. With TIG pulse function, welding current will constantly changes from a high amperage down to a low current and back again automatically. This allows for welding thinner metals and high heat conductive metals without burning through. On thicker metals you can achieve tighter, narrow or more penetrating welds. This TIG 200P welder can weld 1.5 to 12 mm thickness board. It can use 2.5 mm, 3.2 mm and 4.0 mm rods. Can weld 4.0 mm rods for a long time. This welder comes with arc force, anti-stick function. Easy to strike an arc, little spatter, stable current, and good performance. There were 4 buttons on the TIG torch. The function of them is switch on off HF, higher current, lower current and test gas. Number 4 in our side is Hitbox TIG ARC welding machine. The Hitbox welding machines are widely used in indoor decoration, DIY jobs, and other high working places jobs. The Hitbox welding machines are widely used for professional welders and welding hobbyists. As the technology improved day by day, the welding machine get much more portable and economical. It becomes a common necessary tool in a family. 230A with MIG or ARC or lift TIG gasless multifunction 220 volts DC inverter welder. Simple design, beautiful, small size, lightweight, easy to carry. MB15 MIG gun, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, portable plug, ready to use. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best TIG welder under $500 list is PrimeWeld CT520D TIG welder. As a TIG and stick welder, it has a max power output of 200 amps. It is already clear that most welding machines on this list come are 3-in-1, and the PrimeWeld CT520D 50 amps is no exception. The 50A plasma cutter is used for cast iron, mild steel, copper, and more. The 200A TIG torch can weld magnesium, aluminum, and stainless steel. Use the 200A stick welder for minor welding repairs. This 200 amp welder consumes less energy, lowering the operation cost. The safe and user-friendly plasma cutter doesn't use flammable constituents, reducing exposure to risks. The multi-purpose welder and plasma cutter weighs only 32 pounds, making it a great portable option. It features a duty cycle of 60% at maximum amps on all processes. It also easily switches from DC TIG welder to DC stick welder. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.